You are listening to a series of 10 podcasts on the foundations of American government and politics, presented by Citizen U. Episode 5. Explain how the first 10 amendments to the U.S. Constitution, the Bill of Rights, limit the central government. Today our Bill of Rights is found in the first 10 amendments to the U.S. Constitution. It should be remembered that these privileges have been granted to all as a means to directly limit the power of the central government. Below is a brief review of our most cherished civil liberties. Amendment 1. Freedom of speech, religion, press, assembly, petition. Note, the freedom of speech gets preferential treatment by the courts. It is our most sacred right. Yet even freedom of speech has its limits. You are not free to lie or slander others, nor can you write falsely, which is called libel. Likewise, prior restraint or censorship of the press must pass over a high bar. Freedom of religion is split into two separate protections. We have freedom from an establishment of religion. This protects us from an official state religion. The Lemon Test prescribes the rules regarding any apparent cooperation between church and state. 1. The government's action must have a secular purpose. 2. The government's action must not have the primary effect of either advancing or inhibiting religion. 3. The government's action must not result in an excessive entanglement with religion. We also have the free exercise of religion. The government cannot infringe upon our right to worship the way we please. Amendment 2. The right to bear arms. Amendment 3. Freedom from quartering troops in peacetime. Amendment 4. Freedom from unreasonable searches and seizures. Amendment 5. Rights given to the accused, including due process. All citizens would be free from self-incrimination. Eminent domain. Any taking of private property for the public purposes must be accompanied by just compensation. Amendment 6. Rights of the accused. All citizens would be guaranteed the right to an attorney, a speedy trial, and an impartial jury. Amendment 7. Certain rights applied in criminal cases would be also provided in civil law. Amendment 8. Freedom from cruel and unusual punishment. Amendment 9. Rights given to the people. The enumerated rights contained within the Constitution were not to be considered exhaustive. Where other rights were found, they belonged to the people. Note, the enumerated powers are those powers that belong exclusively to the national government. Amendment 10. Reserved rights. Those rights not guaranteed or enumerated by the federal Constitution would be reserved to the states. The 10th Amendment further solidified the concept of federalism. You have been listening to a series of 10 podcasts on the foundations of American government and politics, presented by Citizen U.